there, it's Elena teacher here, and in this video I'd like to talk about some future tenses. For this, let me take you to the context. Let's imagine a friend of yours is asking you, what are you going to do on holiday? And you can say, well, I'm not sure, I think I'll go to London. In this case, you use the future simple tense to show that you want to go to London, but you haven't made up a plan yet. But what if you've made up a plan? Then you would say, I'm going to go to London. To be going to shows that you've made up a plan and you have a strong intention to realize it. But you haven't bought a ticket yet. If your intention is strong and you've made up a plan and you've made up arrangements and you bought a ticket, then you would say, I'm going to London and my flight is on 10th February. You see, you use the present continuous tense when everything is planned and arranged. Okay, I hope it's been useful and hope to see you in my next videos. Bye!